We're going to start on the right-hand side with finding sides. As always, we want to mark our reference angle. So let's zoom in so that we can see this better. We want to mark our reference angle, and then we want to identify the sides of our triangle that we have and that we're missing. So 17 is the hypotenuse, and then X is our opposite side. Because of what we learned above, we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have sine of our 41-degree angle equals opposite, which is X, over hypotenuse, which is 17. We can put a 1 under sine of 41. We cross multiply. We get 17 times the sine of 41 degrees equals 1 times X, which is just X. So I'm going to type this into my calculator as I see it, or I could look on the chart. When I type it into my calculator, I end up getting 11.15, and that is our value of X. For this one down here, I want to do the same thing, so I'm going to identify my angle. My angle is 73. 29 is going to be my opposite side. X is my hypotenuse because it is across from the right angle. We're going to set it up as sine of 73 equals 29 over X. As always, I want to go ahead and put a 1 down there. When I cross multiply, I get 29, and I get X times the sine of 73. So I write that down as X times the sine of 73 equals 29. Divide by both sides by the sine of 73. That cancels, and we get 30.33. If we want to type this in the calculator, 29 divided by sine of 73, we would literally go to the calculator, hit 29 divided by sine of 73, enter, and we get that as our answer. One other method, like I talked about before, we could use the chart. So I could look at this right here and rewrite it as 29 divided by, then go to my chart for sine of 73. Zoom in, notice sine, and then 73, so 0.9563. And when I type that in the calculator, I get 30.325, which rounds to be the same answer as what we got above.